at a farm level, we've got to do our bit to help save the planet. So the customer's requirements are quite clearly saying that they want their supply chains to be decarbonised. But overall, methane is a really gnarly challenge on its own, and we think it's actually a package of genetics, of improved efficiency, increasing our production per cow, possibly milking a few less cows to do the same production level, and putting less feed into our system.
There's some really exciting emerging technologies being researched in the science currently. I think one of the areas that New Zealand scientists particularly have made some great progress is in this whole area of animal breeding, and particularly a lot of research is being done into breeding low emissions sheep.
So that's the plantain, so that's been sown as opposed.
You know, I think all farmers in New Zealand really want to contribute to climate action, but I think we need to understand how they can do that. And for me as a scientist, I think it's really more about, we know we're going to have to reduce our environmental footprint, so really it's about focusing on really getting those tools and technologies out to the farmer and New Zealand grower as quickly and as cost effectively as we can. And I think as scientists, I think that's where we really want to focus our efforts on, getting those tools in the toolbox.
So at Ag Research, we're developing new genetic technologies for forages. One is for white clover and the other is for perennial ryegrass. The aim is to reduce agriculture emissions as well as improve the efficiency of animal performance on farm. Actually, they identified through their research a master switch that switches on condensed tannins in the leaves. So through genetic transformation, they've been able to put this master switch into white clover, and after rounds of conventional breeding, been able to elevate the levels of condensed tannins in the leaves. So for the white clover program, we've been able to demonstrate in the laboratory a 15 to 19% reduction of methane.
And we're part of the New Zealand-wide effort to come up with solutions for reducing greenhouse gas emissions from farms, particularly methane, and some work on nitrous oxides as well.
Results in this purpley blue coloration here in the three.
So there are activities similar to ours around the world. I don't believe there's any other place that has the breadth of ambition that New Zealand has in terms of the range of technologies being investigated in any one place.
They've been stained with the same stain so that you can see where the condensed tannins are in white clover.
I certainly believe it's going to work because that's the motivation for doing it. If I thought this wasn't going to work, I wouldn't be here doing it. I'd find something else that could work.